As a kid growing up in Scotland, we would typically spend our summer holidays camping in the Highlands, usually in and around the town of Pitlochry. It was there that I first tried fishing. Unfortunately, it wasn't one of those activities that would carry on into later life. That is until now. It's 50 years on, and with a little help from my friends, I'm about to give it another try. First, a short travel montage.
Lanyards for travelers with
Train arriving. Please stand clear of the doors.
Welcome to Vancouver. Local time is 8:47. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
After a short stopover in Vancouver, we pack up all the gear into the trucks and hit the road. This next segment is not sponsored. I just appreciate fresh produce. Let Farm Market in Abbotsford sells the freshest produce around, with it all being sourced locally from their own farms and from other farms in and around the Fraser Valley.
Those are all very large steaks. Oh yeah, you got to do that. And then get Fraser. If you like salami, do you do summer sausage at all? Manacapita is it's spinach and feta cheese with a bit of eggs.
Looks like the strawberries are popular this week.
You can just grow them way far outside the growing season.
After a long drive and a couple of stops on the way, we eventually arrive at the cabin.
Do you want me to put a pot of coffee on, or?
After we got settled into the cabin, it was time to meet up with the locals. The fish table we'll come back to later in the video.
Very polite little boats. Ah, you've done that before.
Done that before, yeah, that's an old trick.
We'll wait a few minutes.
Nothing gets the day off to a good start like a good healthy breakfast.
Part right here. Those rocks are so big.
rise over there?
No, we're gonna turn left.
Okay.
Oh, look, the rain is pretty much stopped. This is so great. Yes.
I never appreciated that there was a dress code for fishing.
I'm gonna give you a bloodworm. I'm gonna give you what? I'm gonna
Sparklies.
Yeah, that's considered an attractor pattern for the most part.
Right.
It basically just pisses them off, so they bite at it.
Right.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Leeches are good in this lake usually. Brad fishes them way better than I do. I'm not necessarily a great leech fisher.
Right.
And it's kind of like the age-old question is, what's the best hook to fish with? The best hook to fish with is the one that you particularly fish well, because all of these have different ways. Oh, I'll give you a pumpkin head. Sometimes they work. That's an olive green leech with a orange pumpkin-colored bead. That was the one that we were telling you about, that the guy over at Roche Lake that used to run Tunkwa, he created that fly.
Right.
Specifically for the lakes up there. But trout are trout. They'll bite onto something or they won't. Okay.
It's time to get our feet wet. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. I think I should have used the sparkly hook. I think the fish are just laughing at me. Now going back to the fish table, this is where dinner really starts. Is everybody paying attention?
Nope, that is toasty in there. Let's turn that down a tad. You gotta get the potato name right. They're Warba potatoes, the pride of BC. Mother of goodness, that is This is a heavy fish, Fraser.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the size of that thing. Friggin' salmon sized. Ooh, and after this, someone can pour me a glass of wine. Thank you. I don't think I've ever used garlic powder. Or have I?
I think you might have.
But that would be in the cavity. But I can shake some, just grab some and shake it on top. It'll give the flavor.
So is it one per tinfoil envelope? Or do you put both of them
No,
in?
they'd be too unwieldy. You gotta have one per envelope because otherwise you can't turn them.
Okay.
So huge.
Yeah, it'd be too heavy too.
Yeah. Yeah, because my fish are big, huh? Why did I not get oh, because I don't have my Fitbit on. I just wasted a bunch of steps. Now I have to go run up and down the stairs 3 times to make up for what I wasted.
I'm going to have to edit this severely.
Oh, well, sorry.
It's not child friendly.
You didn't say I had to be. I've salted and peppered the cavity inside already.
You want this one?
No, it's clean. Move him down a little. He's not centered. Out the fins, because you don't want those. Nobody wants those. It's easier to do the bones cut with it. You haven't lived until you've tasted this fish. And I do believe it is done perfectly.
Everybody gets this one.
And then there's one to share. Now, it'll be pretty boneless, but there may be some small ones, so just watch out. Whoop!
You can actually see them.
Yeah.
Sales
green.
Yep, that is a beautiful green.
Why is it green?
Just the makeup of the wood.
Really?
Yep.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it'll happen.
What kind of wood does go green?
I have no idea.
I've never seen green wood.
That's almost emerald
Swear
green.
to God.
That is amazing.
Whoa.
My whole life I've never seen green wood.
Whoa.
That is cool.
Phew! Excuse me, please.
Like serious.
That
really
is
cool.
totally cool.
Wow. Why is it green?
I don't know, but turn the light out so you can see the damn green.
Okay, that's the coolest color.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.